Are you curious about the brand new myNameGenius AI and wondering whether it lives up to the hype? In this myNameGenius AI review, I'll share with you 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. If you're someone looking to streamline your operations with cutting-edge AI software, or you're simply exploring your options, you're in the right place. Now, before we jump in, if you're new to the world of AI software or you just want to test it out without any commitment, you can try myNameGenius AI Omato for free with the link below. Stick with me till the end to find out what I think about this software and how it compares to others I've tested. Let's get into it. The first thing that stands out about a myNameGenius AI is its versatility. Unlike many AI tools that focus solely on one aspect of business, this software is designed to be an all-in-one solution. Whether you're into content creation, social media management, or digital marketing, myNameGenius AI can help you tackle multiple tasks seamlessly. It's all about boosting productivity across the board, making it an ideal choice for busy professionals. Second, the myNameGenius AI platform is incredibly user-friendly. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started. Its clean interface and intuitive design ensure that even beginners can get up to speed in no time. Whether you're automating tasks or generating content, you won't find yourself buried in complicated settings or overwhelming options. It's made for everyone, from marketers to entrepreneurs. Now, let's talk about the speed. One of the standout features of myNameGenius AI is its performance. It's optimized to handle complex tasks in record time. Whether you're generating reports, automating outreach, or creating content, you'll notice how quickly it gets the job done, giving you more time to focus on other aspects of your business. Efficiency is key, and this software doesn't disappoint. Another thing you'll love is the AI's personalization capabilities. myNameGenius AI adapts to your business needs, learning as you use it. The more you work with it, the better it gets at understanding your preferences, tone, and specific goals. It's like having a digital assistant that improves over time, making your tasks feel even more effortless. One major benefit of native myNameGenius AI is its scalability. Whether you're running a small startup or managing a large enterprise, this software can scale with you. It's flexible enough to accommodate growing needs, whether you're handling 1 or 1,000 projects. It also integrates well with other tools, which makes it easy to incorporate into your existing workflow without disrupting your operations. The customer support is another highlight. With myNameGenius AI Cow, you're never left in the dark. The team offers extensive resources, including tutorials, FAQs, and live support options. They truly understand the value of a smooth user experience, so they're always available to help if you run into any issues. Finally, let's talk about the cost. While myNameGenius AI may seem like a premium option, they've made it accessible with flexible pricing plans. You get a lot of value for what you pay, and remember, you can try it for free using the link below. After testing thousands of AI tools, I can confidently say that this one provides a strong return on investment. To wrap it up, myNameGenius AI is an excellent choice for anyone looking to leverage AI for their business, whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started. The versatility, user-friendly design, speed, personalization, scalability, and customer support make it a top contender in the AI space. If you're looking for a reliable, powerful tool to elevate your business, this is definitely worth checking out. As always, after testing thousands of AI tools, I've compiled a list of my recommended AI software that you can try for free. Be sure to check the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.